My name is Mwapembewe and I love natural hair. If you know anyone who knows me, ask them. If they know me really well, they'll tell you. Like, when I start to talk about natural hair, I'm unstoppable. Eyes get teary. It's just really dramatic. I'm like into it, telling you that your hair talks. Yes, it talks. It will speak to you. It will tell you what it wants, what it doesn't like, and you have to listen. This is the face, the brains, the head, and the hair behind this. So welcome, and please like and share. So this is what I went to bed with. I had a twist out. I did twists on Saturday. So this is 1 day old twist. So I unraveled it yesterday for church, and then when I went to bed I did 4 puffs. So this is me taking it out. I wanna do a high puff. Please stay tuned. So to start with, I am going to use hairband, a really thin one. It doesn't have the connector, like the little silver thing on the side, and these are the best for doing the puff. I will be stocking these soon. If you use tights or shoelaces, I used to use those long ago, and they used to give me really bad headaches, and it's not always that beauty has to be pain. So these are really good for hair. I'll show you how they work. And then I'm also gonna be using Eco Style gel for the slicking of the puff. Not on my watch. This is bomb. Like, this product has changed my life. I didn't think 4C hair could submit, but it does. With this, it does. It just changes. It really moisturizes your hair, which has been really helpful. So this is really, really, really good. I highly recommend it. I'll be using, the main choice doesn't get much better than this. You can use shea butter or any other butter. I will soon be selling one, which will be really good. So look out for that. The toothbrush, the hairbrush, the satin scarf or silk scarf, edge control. It's the main choice hair type 4-leaf clover. Normally people use water, but I'm not gonna use water because I'm trying to have some length. Like, I don't want my hair to be shrunken, so I'll use this to give me the moisture. What's the idea behind the name Crown Your Mane? I've always liked the word mane. I googled it last night, and apparently it's horse hair, but then the other things that I'm like long hair, and it was just really good meanings behind it. So I was like, I like it. And then I've always seen hair as a crown. I know in Proverbs it talks about how gray hair is a crown of beauty and wisdom. So I was like, okay, I know I don't have gray hair, but I think this is still a crown, because you know how it's just it changes so much. Like, when your hair is done, when your hair is good, it changes so much. So I went with Crown Your Mane. And yeah, I really like it. So this is it. I should have had a comb, but I don't really need it to have to work. So basically, you just give your hair a little massage. Okay, to be honest, my hair is just itchy, so it's not really a massage, but yeah, it needs to be washed. I just wanted to start with a little simple video before I do like a washing video. So you just put a little bit on your hand. It's got a really nice consistency. YouTubers talk about consistency, so here I need to talk about it. So you kind of just wrap it over, because you don't want to lose the little like twist out kind of vibe. So you just wrap it over like that, because it's what you're trying to moisturize is your ends, not the scalp per se. So that should be enough. And then get some of your butter, just a little bit, then rub it like that, then do that over. Okay, ordinarily I would have loved to wet my edges, but I didn't bring the stuff I used to wet it, so I'm going to get my Eco Styler. Okay, just kind of brush it around your edges. So it's been about, let's say 30 minutes. I don't think it's dry because it's like sticking to the, you know, but this is how it looks. Thank you very much for watching my video. Please like and share.